Don't ever pull fire alarms in public without a fire. If you see a fire or smoke, then yes, pull it because you want to alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. Or if you have permission to test the fire alarm system, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department. It is more than okay to pull the fire alarm for those reasons. But if you're pulling the fire alarm for fun because you think it's funny, if you're pulling the fire alarm for fun because you think it's funny, that is not okay. That is very bad. In my state of Michigan, where I live, it is a misdemeanor, but in some states it is a felony. So do not do it. These are life safety devices, not toys. Also, you never want to tamper with fire alarms either. So you don't ever take the strobe off, don't ever disable the sound or the strobe, never paint the alarm, don't ever throw it, don't ever unscrew it off the wall or screw it in more. Don't do any of that. That is never good. If you break the fire alarm, then you're going to have to replace it. And you'll get in big trouble if you pull the fire alarm for fun or if you tamper with it. That is not okay at all. Unfortunately, this has happened, or pulling the fire alarm for fun has happened in my school. But thankfully, I have never done that before in any public building. But it has happened before during my school years, specifically my elementary school years. So, yeah, do not pull fire alarms for fun or tamper with them, because you'll get in big trouble and you will have to replace the fire alarms. If you pull the fire alarm for fun or tamper with the fire alarm equipment in any public building or if you pull the fire alarm without a fire in a public building or tamper with it, you will get arrested. Because that is endangering the public. So shout out to Alex Pisoki. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. So, alright, I hope you guys learned a very valuable lesson on why you never pull fire